A road rage incident caught on camera as a woman allegedly
I heard the
fires a
shot.
gun
No
into a
allegedly
vehicle where a
at all.
toddler was seated. It happened on July 26th on Interstate 45 in Houston, Texas. Sheriff Ed Gonzalez says two vehicles were driving north when they came to a stop. That's when a man and woman got out of their truck and approached another man in his car. The victim says the man, later identified as 34-year-old Benjamin Green, assaulted him. Sheriff Gonzalez says that as the man tried to drive off, the female suspect, 40-year-old Nasli Ortiz, fired a gun into the back seat through the passenger window. The victim says his 2-year-old son was seated in the back of the vehicle at the time.
Oh my God.
The victim was taken to the hospital with a possible graze wound. Sheriff Gonzalez says both Ortiz and Green were arrested and now face assault charges.
Why not attempted murder?